Made post on Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad, who para companion, was actually our car driver, but also our ex para companion. And this video shows how Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad's bravery never turned into a stupidity. And you should learn the same while dealing with para, how you should use your bravery, but not your stupidity to challenge or invite any para spirit, because just because you're so brave, you have that courage within you. So just let me tell you brief about Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad. My parents and he met in the year maybe 2013, and since then he was our driver since day one. uh, we had a good, we felt like a family member. He was like a family member. He knew about our Panini concept, so he always had a faith in my father. He did not know much about our concept or any knowledge about it. He was not involved in our concept, but the one thing he knew was he had a faith in my father, and he was so brave. So whenever we used to go on a para trip, he used to, you know, show us new places, new ghats, new hills in of Konkan region. He used to take us, like my parents and I was very young at that time. I was below 10 years old, maybe 7, 8 or 9 years old. So we used to roam a lot in Konkan region and Gujarat state, but most of our memorable trips are in Konkan region of Maharashtra state. So, well, so whenever my dad used to get down the car, Mr. Dipesh used to, because he used to safeguard my dad. So if at all any para could attack, it could attack Mr. Hoover and not my father. He was that much, he had that level of courage. But what you should learn is he never ever took advantage of it. He never ever used his bravery. So hey, come on, para, I'm so brave. I can challenge you, I can invite you. No, not in that sense. So, yes, and let me tell you, he was not an extraordinary atom, he was just an ordinary atom from this ordinary atomism and not from extraordinary atomism. But he had very high primo caliber psycho capacity, physio capability, and that's why he got beyond transformed after becoming a paraspirit. Yes. So let me tell you a few incidences when he was alive, and we still used to go to our usual para trips in Konkan region. So what happened once is, we went in it is the incidence of same Konkan region, and it was the time maybe of evening, around 6 p.m. maybe, and we saw a girl standing nearby, and the girl was staring continuously at our driver, Mr. Dipesh. And when he checked the rear view mirror, there was nobody, so it was clear that it was a paraspirit. And what happened is, we booked a room in a known hotel in that city, and it was a very known room too. And when Mr. Bhuvad got in a washroom, he saw the same girl laying in that bathtub. He quickly ran out the bathroom, called my dad. Even my dad also smelled that, lady deodorant or maybe perfume. He smelled that. And but thankfully, he had that faith in my dad, so he could sleep in our same room. He could easily go to the washroom because of that faith. Because he also knew that we were in on paraventure. Yes, so he never felt that kind of panicness. Oh, that's a para spirit. Now what will happen to us? No, 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 not that kind of. And he also used to treat me like his baby sister. He always used to encourage me to different places, face challenges, and I when I was very young, I was like an introvert. I never ever used to talk to anybody, only except my parents. And he always used to encourage me to, like, dear, talk at least. So my nickname Sonu is the name that was given by Mr. Dipesh. He gave me that nickname Sonu. And now, family friends, I'm famous by that nickname Sonu. And yeah, so there are many incidences I would like to share, but not right now because I'm just introducing him. And let me tell you how he passed away. It was an unfortunate death. So, in the year 2017, when we were disconnected, I mean, we did not have that much, connection with Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad. And because he was a car driver, he had passengers, and he was on a trip to Gujarat in a city there, and he was in a foresty area. So he rolled down his car windows. He was still in the car in that foresty area, and he rolled down the windows when he knew that he should not. You know that because whenever we used to go to any para trip, we had that rule that we should never roll down the window or keep, unlock the door. Yeah, we should always keep the car door locked and windows always closed. Maybe the reasons of because of para spirits and also wildlife reasons. Yes, both reasons are there. So that was an unfortunate mistake. He rolled down the window for a fresh air. He forgot that he should not. He And let me tell you, he did not roll down in stupidity or challenge, but he forgot that he should not roll down the window. So he rolled down. He saw a huge black hand or paw coming towards his chest and slammed on it forcibly. He had a nosebleed. Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad had a nosebleed. He tried to call my dad but could not because it was a forest area. There was no high chances of network range. He tried to call but just could not connect. So he overcame that incident and then later went to his home, had a good dinner, went to sleep, and that's when he passed away in that sleep. It was a para attack, an unfortunate para attack. So maybe after a few months of the incidents, my father thought maybe we should again connect with Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad and have a good para trip with him. Let's go on something new adventure. So but he could not call or maybe dial, or maybe his number wasn't available or something. I don't remember exactly. So he went to his area. He went to his home and found out that he's no more. So my father came home, told everything about this to my mother and I. We all cried our heart out for a few moments, and my mother suggested that my father must, go in a paratrance and figure out how all of this happened because he was a very young boy. So my father went into a paratrance and then he found all about this. The paraspirit of Mr. Dipesh Bhuvad told everything about it. And even after becoming a para spirit, he used to come with us in on all our para trips. So there was one incident when the driver was different, and maybe we were in Jawhar Road of Maharashtra state in Jawhar Road, and we had a different driver, but the car was so slammed down. It felt very heavy. So my father found out the paraspirit of Mr. Bhuvad is sitting on it. It's with us because even after becoming a paraspirit, he had that you know a love or a respect for us that he used to come with us every time. So my father finally told him that he should get beyond transformed. My father gave him the chant, and thankfully he got beyond transformed. He's no more the paraspirit. He's in beyond now. So yes. So the purpose of this video is to tell you about this wonderful guy, the dashing guy, and also learn that how he never took an advantage of his bravery. So yeah. So I already have made many like a post about it, and I will definitely share many incidences if I remember. So yeah, thank you.